Hey Siri, open garage door 1.
It's already open, Master.
Hey Siri, close garage door 1.
Closing garage door 1 for you, Master.
Hey Siri, close garage door 1.
It's already closed, Master.
Hey Siri, open garage door 1.
Authorization code?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Opening garage door 1 for you, Master.
Yes, guys, this can be done with an inexpensive Wi-Fi smart home garage door opener. The one that I was using here in the video is the Chin Wi-Fi smart home garage door opener. It's available on Amazon. Click in the description below to find the link where you can get this. It's only $29.99 on Amazon. Also, this is working in HomeKit through Hoobs. So it's hooked up to Hoobs, and I have a Raspberry Pi 3B Plus that I'm using that with, and that's only $59.99 on Amazon. Again, if you want to know how to do all this, click in the description below, and you can visit my website and find out how to do that.